Hi everyone, thanks for watching. I'm Alex, this is AMRC, and this is my newest plane, the MXS-C by RC Factory or Twisted Hobbies, depending where you're from. And yeah, it's a flat foamy 3D plane. The wingspan is 800 millimeters. As you can see, it says on the wing, Backyard Series. And it's supposed to run a 2S battery. I have a 500 milliamp 2S. It's a bit tail heavy, just a hair. With this power system and servos are what's recommended and sold by the manufacturer. The ESC is supposed to handle up to 4S, so I don't think 3S power should be a problem. It took me a few good hours to assemble it. There's lots of waiting for parts to dry because it comes really flat, just pieces of foam. It has this wooden spar, a bit of carbon fiber, but not too much, mostly for the landing gear, the push rods. And another new thing is I'm using this DSMX receiver I got from Banggood for really cheap. I think it was about $9. First time I'm using it, but since I don't plan on flying this very far away, hopefully it will do well. I'll do a range test to make sure everything is okay. So there's no stabilization on this, nothing to bail me out, but I chose to install it on this plane because it's supposed to be pretty tough. That's one of the reasons I got it. As you may know, I do have the E-flite Eratix, and that one's been great and tons of fun, but I'm kind of afraid to mess that one up, so I'll try and practice as much as I can with this one, and hopefully I'll be learning a thing or two about 3D flying. Yeah, so I won't postpone this anymore. Let me get this thing up in the air, hopefully, and hope I can fly it. Okay, had a bit of traffic, but it's gone now. Let's see. Whoa. Okay. Yeah, definitely feels a bit tail heavy. Well, 5 seconds and I haven't crashed it, so. Man, this thing floats. It's really light. It's supposed to be under 250 grams all up weight. Man, and I'm barely 40% throttle. Look at it, it's just hanging in the air. Ooh, not bad. I'm liking this. It's like a drone. Honestly, guys, it's amazing. I mean, the Eratix can fly pretty slow, especially if there's some wind, but this thing, ooh, look at it. I'm kind of hovering. Oh my god. Just so you know, it's not me, it's the plane. It's that good, even with my shoddy assembly and tons of glue I used, because you have to glue pretty much everything on this. Unlike the Eratix, that's very easy to assemble, and this one takes a bit of patience. Ooh, man, this is fun. Kind of scared to push it. I don't want to crash it. I know it can take a good crash, but oh man, I've wanted one of these for so long. And now I see why everyone praises them. I mean, I'm not doing anything, I'm just flying around in a circle, but look at how slow it's going. Man, oh man. Okay, let's try to give it some more throttle. Ooh, look at it spinning. I thought it would be a lot twitchier, but have plenty of expo. I don't remember right now what expo I have, but I think it's around 30 or 35 on low rates, even higher on the high rates. But look at it, I can't believe how smooth it is. Luckily there's very little wind. It was a lot windier before, but I'm so happy it died down. It wants to climb under power. It just tracks straight, look at it. There's no stability, nothing, no safe. And I have to admit I was kind of worried. Because in the past few years, everything I've flown has had some form of stability. Well, maybe except my Hobby Zone Champ, that doesn't have any. But that's just a tiny 3-channel plane. Okay. Yeah, I'm sorry, I know this is boring, especially to someone who knows how to fly these things. And with the Eratix, I always had the safety net of safe. I just flipped the switch and I knew it's gonna be back upright. But man, this thing is so cool and so easy to fly. I wouldn't recommend it to beginners, that's for sure. Just for assembly, it takes a bit of skill. The Eratix would be a lot more appropriate, especially if you're new. Of course, neither of these are good first planes. You need to have a bit of coordination. Look at it. Oh my god. Oh, my timer's going off, but I'm liking this so much. Let me try and do a loop. Whoa, that was effortless. Try and do a bit of fast flying. I was around half throttle, yeah. Doesn't really do fast flying, it wants to pitch up. Gonna get a bunch of down elevators, so yeah, see, that's why I wasn't worried about the range so much, because I'm not gonna fly this very far unless the wind blows it away. Man, oh man, this is unbelievable, guys. Car coming. If I should give it a go with 3S, it certainly doesn't need 3S. I can tell you that for sure. Maybe it would just benefit the weight, but it flies great as it is. Cut power and whoop. There she goes. Okay. Whoa, 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 whoa. Just trying to look at the timer. Okay, let me try and bring it in for a landing. Man, this thing is so nice. You have to fly it to see what. Ooh. Oh, that was a bit short, but not bad. Woo! That was exciting. Yeah, guys, so the MXS, Twisted Hobbies, RC Factory, whatever you want to call it. I lost my wheels. Oh no. Dang it. They broke. But they're just glued on, and I recommend using some thread. Here's the wheels. So you just have these wooden pieces glued to carbon fiber. And yeah, they pretty much broke off, but I'll see how I can fix that. I don't know where the other piece is, but woo! What a rush. Oh my god. This is an amazing plane. And they have a bunch of different ones. Also different sizes. Woo! Yeah, I'm sold on these. So I would definitely recommend it as your third or fourth plane, or whenever you want to start flying 3D. It's amazing. Whew, that was exciting. I'll get this landing gear fixed, hopefully. I'll think of something. Maybe I can 3D print some attachments for the wheels. But yeah, that was pretty exciting. Lots of fun, although it was scary, at least at first. Yeah, let me know what you think, guys. Sorry for the bad flying. As I said, it's the maiden, getting used to it. Hopefully it'll be better in the future. Don't forget to like the video if you enjoyed it, subscribe if you haven't already, drop some great comments, and I'll see you next time. Bye!